Hey, what is up, you guys? I'm just gonna put in the trade, guys, because I'm taking all the trades during the live stream. So early in the morning over here where I'm at, but we're gonna take a silver buy as well. Oh gosh, I entered way too big. I just realized. Oh dear, man. Oh dear, I just entered way too big right there. Okay. Um, let's see. Let's see how this plays out. I wanted a little bit of a bigger stop. I calculated my lot size a little bit wrong. Well, hey, this will be an epic fail or a massive win. But let's see. Maybe we can exit this trade. I wanted to put the stop loss a little bit lower, man. Oh my goodness. Well, okay. Well, that's a little bit more risk than I wanted, but like, okay, let's see how this plays out. That's a little crazy, man. Well, guys. That mistake just cost me like 2K. I entered with the wrong lot size. I thought it was half a lot. I thought it was 1.50. I wanted a bigger stop loss, but I just got totally annihilated by that. So yeah, it is what it is. I'm gonna wait for re-entry on silver. But yeah, that's pretty bad, man. That's pretty bad. But I think yeah, both gold and silver are. Look at that. It's already. Why I'm thinking that they're, because they're bearish, right? But like they're both above the 100 EMA now. They're staying above it. I think it looks like continuation as long as they stay above the 100 EMA. That's why I wanted my stop loss right here. I wanted my stop loss around the 80, man. And I just put like 3 times the risk that I was supposed to, man. As a matter of fact, we gotta now lower the risk even more because we already lost 2% on that crappy little scalp. Yeah, it is what it is, man. It is what it is. Wrong lot size, and then I realized, man. Yeah, then I entered the wrong lot size, and then I realized, like, oh yeah, I can't risk more than 2% either, so I have to take 2% loss. Oh, you can't hear me because of the music? Yeah, because I had to take, gotcha, I put the music too loud. Yeah, so I entered the wrong lot size. I put 1.5 instead of 0.50. So I put 3 times the lot size, man, that I was supposed to put on silver just now. So I lost 2% like that, like very quickly. So that was a mistake. So now, what I'm thinking is both silver and gold, they look like they're reversing. The Asia move was nice, came back down, but I think it's gonna create a higher low, and it's staying above the 100 EMA right now. Both of them are. So looks like a continuation right now. I tried to long from here, like I said, with silver. I longed from here, but I entered way too big. I was trying to put my stop loss like around 80, and I entered like 3 times the size that I was supposed to. So that's why I took a loss right now. Yeah, but I'll re-enter with a smaller lot size. In a little bit. But yeah, it is what it is, man. It happens. Once we get, once we catch these moves, we'll be back. My goal TP is 3.7. And yeah, let's enter a little bit of a smaller lot size with silver. Yeah, because we already lost today, which kind of sucks, man. Because the idea is good, but I'm tired too. It's like 7 a.m. over here. I don't know what time it is on your end, guys, but yeah. Dumb little mistake. So right now, like, kind of needs to break this structure as well. Gold also kind of same position. 10 a.m. in Kuwait. Nice, man. It's like, I think it's getting close to 8 a.m. actually now. Yeah, it's 8 a.m. 8, 4 minutes past 8 a.m. right over here, man. Yeah, dude. I think, London will pump it up. Maybe New York will reverse it, but I think this could be a little bit of a reversal right now for gold, even though it's not that super bullish on higher time frames. Did have like a little bit of a breakout during the Asian session. Came back down, but it's right at the, it looks like a continuation right now, man. The upside. So look at that. This is looking very good. Silver is. We're about to enter in a little bit, but like, yeah, sucks about the lot size, man. We just lost 2%. Unnecessary, man. Unnecessary, dude. That was really terrible, dude. Did we lose even more? 2.2. Oh man, dude. Oh man. Okay, well. Haha, man. That sucks. Indices like I don't really trade during this time, but it's just interesting to see what they're doing as well. Okay, let's see. Man, actually, yeah, I keep playing around with it, but I'm thinking like we just need a bigger stop loss. Anyway, yeah, guys, I'm just because I want to be putting all the trades in on the live streams, and you know what I mean. So like, we put that gold trade in yesterday. It actually went a little bit into profit during the Asian session. Didn't go too much into profit. It was like 1% in profit during the Asian. Came all the way back down, by the way, and this is where I have like my TP now. It's a little bit, it's not too far, but I think it's coming to the 100 EMA, somewhere around there. At least, maybe it's a complete shift. I don't know, but that's where I have my TP over there with gold. With silver, I'm thinking about the same. Thinking that it's coming to this area right here as well. Maybe a little bit lower, somewhere there. So now we're getting nice engulfing candle here on the 30-minute as well. If that solidifies, that's That's very nice. Because yeah, that would mean a continuation pattern for me, man. Yeah, I think yeah, I think it's pretty much confirmed already, but like we'll see. Dude, I'm really pissed. I'm really pissed about can you show the tattoo like this one? It's kind of like what is it? It's it's like well, paradise. I would say it resembles paradise, man. Yeah, put it actually put that one in Thailand, man. Uh, thanks, bro. I don't know if you can like see it properly, but like it's just you know, kind of beach palm tree kind of stuff, you know. Okay, let's go for it. We're gonna go for it, man. Now with a wider stop loss where I originally had it planned. You look, that's the trade idea I originally had planned. One risk 1% at the 80 level. Like that's what I had planned originally. But now the entry is off too. Like I need a little bit of a wider stop. So hey, like today I'm gonna have to lower this stop. Okay, man. Like this is gonna be either this is my make or break moment kind of thing. I need this. Because of this mistake, I kind of need this to work, man. Otherwise, we're down quite a bit. We're gonna be down 4.5k, dude. If these don't hit. But if these hit, then we're up like 6%. So maybe I should. With silver, I go for 1-to-1. With gold, I'm gonna hold a little bit longer. Just we need the silver. No, I can't go for 1-to-1 because gosh, man, we gotta go for yeah. So both of them are gonna be 3k. They're gonna have to be 1-to-2s because of that mistake. It is what it is. I think you should do live trades for proper because no, I don't think you can like get caught with I don't think you can get caught with group trading if it's I don't think that there's 14 people watching that like and I don't think they're all on the same pro firm either. You know what I mean? The daily limits let me just check it just in case, dude. I think it was 5, but maybe not on this account. What the? Yeah, it's 5. Thankfully, it's 5. Look at that. Yeah, it's 5%. 5% daily loss, man. So, yep. We're pretty much. Yeah, man, that mistake was so dumb, bro. That mistake was so stupid, bro. That mistake, man. Yeah, we're risking 1.3% now on these two trades. Both of them. So, like, we're risking 2.6 in total, man. I know. It's kind of aggressive. It is kind of aggressive. But hey, it's just a challenge phase, man. Okay, guys. Well, It is early in the morning. David, don't worry about it, man. You won't get like they won't do that with group trading. No, no, no. I don't think like if you have, you won't even get the same entry because there's a little bit of lag with the stream. So like there will be a couple pips off. You might get a better entry. It's not gonna be group trading, man. Many people could be taking this trade. I doubt it. Plus, we're not even winning, man. So then they really don't care. If we were winning, yeah, maybe they might. No, no, I really don't think. There's so many people live streaming. I don't think many people are getting caught with group trading. Otherwise, we'll hear about it. You know what I mean? Um, yeah, man. So Noir Trades actually, he made an exposed video on Tory Trades, man. I might cover it. I might cover it a little bit today. Oh gosh, dude. If these go wrong, we're really down in the dirt, dude. Oh gosh, bro. Yeah, I mean, it could really well reverse right now too. We'll see, man. We'll see. The London volume will come in 45 minutes, less than that, a little bit, but we'll see what London will do, man. If they will dump ski on us, we're this account is pretty much done ski, bro. And it's all down to poor risk management and mistake. Just the mistake that we just made. Risking like 3 times more than we should have. Where am I from? I'm trading like right now. I'm in Amsterdam, the Netherlands, man. But I'm from Estonia, man. I'm from Estonia, but I'm a mixture of all kinds of different nationalities, man. Mostly Europe, like Eastern European. So yeah, there's some Ukrainian, German, all kinds of stuff, bro. All kinds of stuff, bro. My ancestors were raped by all nationalities, dude. No, I don't know, but like Estonians, like there were the Vikings. They came to rape us. There were the Germans, the Danish, the Swedish took us over. The Russians took us over. We got like by all people, you know. Estonia, EST, Estonia, without the L, no Lestonia, Estonia. So I'm from a place called Tallinn, man. Tallinn. I'll show you guys. Wait. Actually, let me put it on another screen for now. Yeah, so this is where I'm from. This is where I'm from. So that's the city I was born in, Tallinn. And yeah, so the castle was built by the Swedish. Then the Danish built those beautiful houses. That's why it looks like Denmark. The Russians built these ugly ass, shitty ass churches. Russia, no good. Russia bad, no good. No, I'm just joking. But yeah, that's kind of Estonia. We have this Christmas market in the winter, and yeah, we only have a population of 1 million people. 1 million. 1 million only. 1.2 million. I'm one of those 1.2 million. Uh, and we got like 100,000 Ukrainians, so like that's 10% of our population. Then we got like maybe 30% of our population is Russian, so like maybe technically Estonians only like 700,000, something like that. And there's only like 3 major cities. The rest are like villages and small towns, like really small towns, which, you know, yeah. Yeah, that's why it can get a little bit boring over there. It's a little bit cold, boring. There's not much to do. Once you've done, you know, all the activities in the city, there's kind of nothing more to explore. But it's still really like a nice, cozy city. Not busy. Like you feel like, yeah, you're kind of like most of the times you're like alone in the street, like kind of chilling. So that's completely different in Amsterdam. You won't get a moment of peace over here. It's always like hectic and crazy, bro. But that's also something. South India, bro. Yeah, I'm always South India, dude. My mom is in south of India right now, dude. Varkala, I think. Varkala, I think, is that place, right? She's somewhere there on the beach, man. And I think she wants to go to Nepal. So my mom is over there, man. My mom is in south of India. No joke. Amsterdam. Yeah, I'm in Amsterdam, man. Amsterdam is the perfect place. Yeah, I like it because there's like so many different cultures here. There's a lot going on. So much activity. So much happening. Dude, these trades, man. Let's see. This will really put us in a dance, which, yeah, we're gonna have to get out of. Which place, man? Here it's hot. Varkala or something. Varkala, I think, is the place. Well, wait, I will have to check it, man. There's like an airport there too, Varsala or something, Varsala or Barkala or whatever. Varsala, I don't know. Somewhere in the south of India, dude, where there's an airport, and then I don't know. Vodka land, vodka land. No. I don't know, dude. So there's 2 Davids in the chat. That's funny. I would have to confirm with her actually about where she is. Kerala, I don't know, maybe. I don't know. It was with the V, man, somewhere in India, in the south. It was with the V. I don't know. Varshala, Varkala. I don't know, man. Something like that. Oh, you're Polish. You're Polish, David. Yeah. That's awesome, man. Poland is very close here. Oh, yeah. Originale. Okay. Yeah, I mean, us like Estonians, we have a lot of similar stuff to Polish people. Like a lot of similarities, I would say. Varkala, yeah, that's what I'm saying. Dude, I'm gonna search it up now, man. And you guys are gonna. I know more about India than you Indians, man. No, just joking. Sorry. What? Dude, I know more about you. I know more about India than you. Look, I said Varkala. Varkala. That is Varkala. Yes, I'm telling you guys. I know more about India than you. This is a city. I don't know how you guys. No, it says Varkala, not Kerala. Varkala. That's what I'm saying, man. She's at the beach in India. You guys, you Indians, you didn't even know the place. How dare you? How do I know more about India than you when you live in India, bro? No, it's Varkala, bro. No, she's not in Kerala. She's in Varkala. Oh, when am I going to the Philippines? Well, look, if these trades don't go well, I'm gonna be homeless on the streets, guys. So pray for me, man. No, I'm joking. I'm joking. Um, I don't know, bro. I don't know, man. I don't know when I'm in the Philippines. You know, but I will come, man, for sure. For sure, I will come. We gotta get that vlogging going over there, man. We gotta start vlogging, bro. We gotta start vlogging, hitting the spots. Go to Boracay, go to Siargao, go to Palawan, go to all these places. Davao, I'll visit you in Davao, bro. I'll go to Cebu for sure. Check that place out. So we gotta do a lot of. Which country are you from? What native language? Native language, Estonian, man. Estonia. I'm not too far from Poland, bro. Couple countries to the north. Lithuania, Latvia, Estonia. You know. Isn't much popular, I suppose, but India is just like a whole Europe, different country, cultures and different languages. Actually, just like Europe, India should have different countries. Yeah, I heard there's like so many different dialects in India. Like, yeah, it's different, man. The north and the south are completely different, right? Yeah, I'm from Estonia, man. But I'm living in well, I'm living in Amsterdam. So you know, I'm living the high life, not really though. Like, I've lived in Amsterdam for a long time. So I did my studies here. Um, you know, I worked here after my studies. I've had this apartment actually for a long, long time, but I've been back and forth with Estonia, back and forth. Um, so sometimes I have like a love-hate relationship with Amsterdam because um, right now, it seemed to screw me up again a little bit with that lawsuit. But like, I don't know if that would have happened in my country, but go to Thailand, man, and enjoy. I don't know, man. Thailand has like positives and negatives. You gotta also look at. Oh gosh, dude, I need my phone actually. Okay, wait. Let me get my phone real quick. Okay, sorry about that. Um, yeah. Thailand has like positives and negatives, man. Like, there's a little bit of corruption. You gotta realize that. Like, there's a little bit of corruption, and um, you know, that's not fun. Like, setting up a business there, you're gonna have to pay the police, some money under the table. Um, Otherwise, they're gonna perhaps trash your place. If you speak negatively about a Thai person or upset a Thai person, you might go to jail because they will favor the Thai person over you any time of the week. You're a foreigner, and if you You upset a local, you're screwed, man. You're going to jail. You might eat chicken feet there on the ground, like in some kind of jail. Like, I don't know. There's many stories of people going to jail for no real, like, terrible reason or anything. So you don't have the same human rights as somebody in Europe. You're always like in Europe, you're a citizen of Europe. You will be equal to everybody else in Europe, right? But like there, you're not equal. You're always gonna be a lower tier than the locals. With your shitty ass visa, you can't even buy land. All that stuff. So the Thailand, it don't always feel like it feels like home in a different way, but it feels like it will never be your. You will never be one of the locals. Well, if I, for example, I don't know, I feel like kind of a local over here in Amsterdam. You know what I mean? It's Europe. I know the language. I kind of feel like a local over here. Like, I'm cool here. But like in Thailand, like even if you learn the language, even like, bro, you will not be Thai. You will not be a Thai person. Like forget about it, man. So in that sense, I think it's a great place to visit Thailand, but it's different when you live out there, man. I really wanted to live out there, man. I tried it for 9 months. I lived in Thailand, but it's a different place when you visit and you go to the resort and like da da da. But it's different when you actually like start to rent apartments, do this and that. Like you see a little bit of the racism happening. Like, I don't know, man. It's like. Yeah, I don't know. I had some like issues there too, man. Like with like I would say, yeah. I don't know. I for example, okay. Let's say like no, I had like in my hotel when I first came there, like not first came there, but in 2023, I think I saw like a drunk driver run over a guy on the street that was like just walking, and then the drunk guy hit him from the back. His bone was literally out of his body. It was literally sticking out like right here, and he couldn't walk. He lost his hearing. He didn't get a penny, and the guy was drunk, but it was a Thai person who was drunk and drove him over, bro, on the street. And he didn't, like, he has no rights, bro. He was in the hospital. Everything was messed up. He lost his hearing for life, man. Like, it was damaged. The cells were damaged here so bad that he heard like a ringing noise in his ear, and it wouldn't stop. And this guy got screwed over so hard. No compensation. If that happens in Europe, if that happens in America, you have insurances, this, that, you will get compensated for that. You will get a big paycheck. All your medical expenses will be paid. He had to pay his own medical expenses, guys. Like, you gotta realize, like, over there in Thailand, bro, like, one situation, and there's a lot of drunk drivers, bro, and there's a lot of accidents, man, over there. So, like, I was driving a motorcycle, but I was scared for my life sometimes, man, on those highways, bro. Like, people will come from both sides, like, try to like, I don't know, do all kinds of crazy, like, there's no real rules. Most people don't even have a driver's license, man, over there. It's like, like a craziness on the streets, with traffic and stuff, So like, I don't know, man, like some of the things like are cool. What I really liked was being on the islands, man. Like that's my type of thing, man. Like just chill, not too many people, not the touristic islands, but I went to like the more local. Well, they're also just full of resorts, but like there was less population over there, and I could like drive the motorcycle in the mountains and stuff, like really awesome. The beaches were nice, not too many people. I don't like crowded places, man. I don't like places like Bangkok, bro. Like I don't like places where it's like full of people and you can't move any direction. There's like people all around you. I don't like being around that kind of environment, man. I need my space, bro. I need like some place in nature just to like, just to be in nature and just chill, man. I don't need to, you know, especially if I'm going to holiday. I don't want to be going to a more busy place than I'm already in, right? I just want to chill, man. Um, yeah, my equity is like, no, I didn't lost 3% on a trade. Um, the thing is, man, I put 2% as an SL. It did get me out at 2.2%, so I might have violated that rule, but like I don't know, man. Let's see. I did put SL at 2. So you're right, man. Like I entered the wrong lot size in the morning. Instead of zero point 0.5 on silver, I entered 1.5. So I put 3 times the risk. So I had to put like a really tiny stop loss, and that was it. Yeah. We only lost. Yeah, exactly. I had like a little bit of a higher. We're down 1.5k pretty much. Uh, but 1.57k or something. 1,570. We're down, or 1,582, whatever. It doesn't matter. Because I think this is now a continuation for gold and silver, and I think these trades will actually hit. So if that happens, we'll be laughing, mate. We'll be up six. No, we'll be up around 4.5%. I think. Yeah. If both of these trades hit, we'll be up 4.5% on the account. Yeah, there's a rule that says that your loss shouldn't be more than 2%. Exactly, man. There is, and that's why I had to like take the loss at 2%. Like you can't have more than 2% loss on one single trade idea. No. It's not. It's like it's on one trade. So like you can have multiple trades. We have 5% drawdown daily. So you can have multiple trades, but just on one trade you can't have 2%, more than 2%. So you can split it up into 5 trades of 1%. That's fine. But if you have, just one trade that is 3% loss, then that's not fine. That's how it works. But yeah, no, that stupid mistake, man. Put us like down into the negative, man. Like that's ridiculous, bro. I guess I had it like, I guess I had the 1.5 because I had like 0.50 on here, but I had 1.50 on here, and I didn't like look at it properly. Like really dumb, man. But that's what happens when you try to get the live stream going really quick, and you try to enter real quick. But I'm trying to do like everything on the live streams, guys, right? So I'm trying to enter everything on the live streams, close most of it during the live stream. So like, you know what I mean? Sometimes these mistakes happen, but that's the cost of being authentic, I guess. You know. Yesterday as well, man, I rushed way like into that like gold sell because I was like setting up this thumbnail and all that stuff, and then you can see the start of the live stream, it like pushes down, and I'm like, man, I missed it. But like, it is what it is, man. We'll still get it even with these mistakes. If these trades hit, we'll be back on top, man. It's no problem. So David says that my account is effed up. It's over. Even if you make this up, they're not gonna give it, I think. Marcus will be getting soon to 1K live stream. Um, Look, man. I think they will. I think they will give it, man. Like 2%. I risk 2% on that trade. You know what I mean? But yeah, if it doesn't, bro, like we'll get another one. Whatever, man. If they say it's a problem, we'll just pay $200. It was my mistake, man. My mistake of entering into the position with the wrong lot size, man. Otherwise, man, we would have been up for today, man. Look at that. We would have been up if I just entered the right lot size, because the retracement wasn't even that big, man. So I entered somewhere here, and then it went like, so it went from here to here, and then we already lost 2K. So I that was all because I entered the wrong lot size. I wanted to enter 3 times less. So instead of 1.5, I entered. So instead of 0.5, I entered 1.5. So my stop loss, I couldn't place it where I wanted it to. And look at that. It would have been a nice trade. But now we had to enter with 0.3, so less of a risk, and we lost 2K as well. So it was an expensive mistake. Not only can we not put the risk that we wanted on this trade, we also are down pretty bad. And we could have also maybe broken a rule, which all of those things suck terribly. But yeah, it is what it is, man. It's not the biggest deal in the thing. I mean, worst case scenario, guys, if you think about it, we only lost like $250 on the challenge. That's the worst case scenario. Best case scenario, we pass it and we get like a 100K account with some nice drawdown. Everything will be alright, man. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna leave this for a little bit. I'm gonna leave these trades for a little bit. We're getting close to the market, or to the London Open. And I'll leave you guys. Like, nice to talk to you, man. Yeah, awesome, bro. But yeah. Dude, I didn't realize my mic was off. My mic was off this whole time. Oh my goodness, man. No way. I've been talking this whole time, dude. No way. No way, man. No way. Ain't no way, bro. So what I was saying, guys, was, man, that sucks. I'm saying like, yeah, gold looks like it's moving up. Silver just retraced a little bit, but usually they move in correlation. So like when gold moves up, silver usually follows as well. So we'll see. We'll see. We're getting a little bit of a bigger retracement on silver, but it should stay as long as it stays above the 100 EMA. We're still in this little bit of a trend shift. Gold on the 1 hour time frame looks especially nice because we just closed this 1 hour candle right here, engulfing the previous one, and it's riding the EMAs right now. So if this candle, this next 1 hour candle can close somewhere above this red line, man, we're most likely going to break this high as well and move to the upside. Now, if this next 1 hour candle comes all the way back down, here it's disqualified. We're basically out. So let me actually chill the stop loss to somewhere here. If it comes down here now, it's kind of over. That move is over. It's disqualified. Right now, gold needs to really push towards the upside from here, not retrace all the way down. If this gets engulfed, this 1 hour candle is disqualified and we're out. Right now, with silver, it's looking a little bit less, but kind of the same thing, man. If it like retraces all the way back here, we're out. But yeah, I think it's looking pretty good for us, to be honest. Silver does have some bigger moves sometimes, and that's fine. Let's see here. Actually, the original plan was a little bit lower. We're just gonna keep it just in case, man. Both of these trades, guys, if we hit these, that's the 6% gain. It's $6,000, like over 6,000, guys. It's 6,000, man. We'll make all the money back that we lost due to that mistake earlier and more. So right now, man, these are solid. I do live off the trading, man, and you know, shizzle. It's a challenge, man. If we lose it, it's fine. We'll buy another 250. It's the first phase as well, you know. But I don't know, man. I have belief in these trades, especially gold right now looking solid, man. It's solid move. Silver, for some reason, moving in the opposite direction right now. Very interesting. So yeah, it's extremely like it's doing a dome ski, man. Wow. So we're approaching the 100 EMA right now. I think it will have a bounce from there. If not, then yeah, that move is disqualified. And this day will just be a massive hell, guys. Right now, gold might have just made a lower high as well here on 5 minute. Oof. Well, let's see. It's just that it's the London Open right now, so they could be grabbing liquidity right now for the actual move with silver. So they could, yeah, they maybe wanted to push it down here, and then maybe the buyers will aggressively step in from here and just push it up. That's what I'm thinking. Gold is kind of, yeah, it's trying to break the short-term trend right now. But if we look at the 1 hour, this engulfing candle was really nice. So let's see. Let's see if it actually like really confirms it by closing the next hour as well with a nice candle. So no sound, just loud music. Yeah, yeah, man. You can still you still can't hear me. It's still too loud. I'm sorry, man. You guys, can you hear me now? Ah, man. No, no, no. I think it was referring to the last question. I look, guys. I think it was referring to the London Open question. You know, if people are just starting out, man, it's all right to ask those questions, right? I hope you guys can hear me now, man. Uh, I had the mic muted before, so I was talking for a while. But yeah. So anyway, if the on the 1 hour, look, it just looks like a solid move. Went to the downtrend, but then here we see perhaps the switch happening. So we see a higher low, higher high, and we see a higher high, and it's creating these higher lows as well. So as long as it continues in this way, it's cool. If now this candle comes all the way down here, closes below it, I think maybe it's continuing a downtrend. Silver as well, looking it's wicking a little bit, so we'll see. Only time will tell, man. But yeah, these trades will be some pretty good profit, man, if we hit these trades. Kind of need these trades to hit, otherwise our challenge is a little, yeah, is not going too well. Okay, here we go. We potentially have a liquidity grab over here with silver. Kind of just wicked below this range. Or no, it's an equal low, I think. Yeah, it's an equal low actually. So this has been hit 3 times now, and I like the way that it's coming up right now from here as well. So looks pretty good. Looks pretty good to me. Yeah, so hey man, still people tuning in early in the morning. Hopefully my audio is good now. If you're just tuning in, made a little mistake with silver. Risked 3 times the size, lost like 2K in 5 minutes or like even less. So hey, mistakes happen. It is what it is. We'll make it back if and some more. We'll be like 4% in profits if these trades hit. So this is important. We might close, maybe one of them earlier just to minimize the risk, but we'll see. I'm also quite confident that eventually, I mean, if gold creates a higher high, if silver creates a higher high, I'm pretty confident that we can hit this profit target. It's not too far off. That's definitely the next place that we'll try to go towards. Yeah. Looks like we were right. I think it is like the last liquidity grab. They wanted to take the liquidity and now push it up towards the upside. So right now it's looking really solid, man. Let's see if the London volume can give it to us, man. Yeah, guys. So let's look at gold on the lower time frame too. So yeah, it's trying to break. It's accumulating, but it looks really good. Staying above the EMAs. This is the target that it needs to pass for it to be solidified that it's gonna break the high, most likely. But yeah, now it's looking really solid, man. So yeah, could somebody let me know if the audio is good? By the way, can you hear me, guys? Is the mic good? Is the music good? Like, is it too loud? Is it, let me know. Let me know in the comments, man. Okay. Nice. As long as there's no funky shizzle going on, I think these are looking really solid right now. Gold looks like it's going to give a push. Nice volume coming in from the London Open. Yeah, man. There we go. Next 5-minute candle came in. Now we need a little bit more of a push on the silver. It really needs to break this high right here. Then I doubt that it's coming all the way down, man. After breaking that high, I really think it's off to the it's off to these highs, to the 83 mark. I really think so, man. So we'll see if we can break it. We'll see that, man, in a little bit. Yeah, gold giving a nice push now. This 5-minute candle looks nice. It's like continuation. So that's silver, not too much. Still looks little. But yeah, it should follow along with gold as well. There we go. Now, once it breaks this, guys, once it breaks this red line, I think it's going to make a higher high. I really think so. So let's see if there's some shenanigans, man. That wick. Yeah, just not going to give it to us easy, is it? It's not going to give it to that. Ah, man. Not gonna give it to us easy. Seller's still stepping in, dude. Okay. Ooh, it's getting crushed right now, man. What the heck? Look at that. Look at that 1-minute candle, man. Well, it's a fight right now. It's a fight. The bulls aren't as strong as you want them to be for, But hey, we'll see, man. Yep, yep, yep. Let's see if the buyers will actually keep it going. Let's see. What did you miss? Like so basically, like, first thing I did, I entered so this was on zero point 0.5, right? 0.50, and I didn't look, but silver was at 1.50, so I entered 3 times the size that I wanted to on silver, and we took a loss of 2k like within a couple minutes. Then now I had to enter with a smaller size, and what we're aiming for is here's the TP. That would be 3.2k profit, and with gold we're also aiming for 3.7 k profit. So what I'm thinking is it's kind of reversing. So it came from a downtrend, created a higher low, now it's pushed to a higher high, it's creating another higher low, it's riding these EMAs right here. I think could be a continuation towards the upside. So we also had this engulfing candle right here, engulf this previous candle. If this one, unless it comes all the way back down here, the next 1 hour candle, it comes all the way down here, that's where we have our stop loss, is disqualified, we're out of the trade. Same with silver kind of thing. If it comes down all the way below this red line, we're pretty much out of the trade. But I do think it's slowly continuing towards the upside. It might, if it breaks these highs, then we might not get all the way up there, but we'll make maybe another higher high, come back down, make another higher high, hopefully continue the short-term trend. But first it needs to break this red line right there. Otherwise, like right now, it's still, it's not looking too great right now, to be honest. So yeah, that's kind of what's going on, Derek Lee. That's kind of what's going on right now, man. So we made a terrible mistake. I made a terrible mistake in the morning, and that's why that count is looking that bad, man. It is what it is, man. So I'm thinking London is gonna pump these two bad boys, gold and silver, to the upside. Let's just take a quick look at the German DAX. What is that doing? Also just like moving sideways kind of right now. Not much going on with the DAX. Yeah, so that's what's going on, man. Um, gold. Yeah, what I kind of wanted to see, guys, was like actually that being a solid candle. Now it just pushed above it, wicked, and now it's coming down. Now that's not a very good sign, man. We'll see. We'll see if these short-term EMAs hold. But yeah, that was kind of not what I wanted to see. We'll see. We'll see. Silver looking a little bit better right now than before. It retraced quite a bit as well. You only trade New York? Yeah, we should. Yeah, I thought today, man. I was already in the gold trade from yesterday. It went one K into profit during the Asian session. Then it retraced quite a bit towards the downside. So we were up. We were up like 1K when it came up there. So I've been in this trade since yesterday, right? So the gold trade. Then in the morning I felt like, oh, silver's looking nice too, man. I'm gonna take silver, but I over risked, and over risked and paid the price. So maybe I shouldn't have traded London today either, because this kind of like a pretty big hole now that we got to come back from. Well, it's not too bad, 1.6K in drawdown, but we were 600 in profit. So like, you know what I mean? It's kind of put a dent on the account. And let's see, if this doesn't like, if this starts reversing, I might just close it down, because I don't know, overall it looks pretty solid to me still, but I don't like the fact that, you know, when gold was trying to push up here, that it just got absorbed. It just got completely rejected. That move, let's see if it still rides the 100 EMA, or if it now gets crushed towards the downside. We'll just take the L for both accounts and do something else at New York. So yeah, this is kind of the final attempt, guys. Let's see. So this EMA needs to hold right here. Is that what I've been doing all day? No, man, I just woke up. It's very, very early in the morning, dude. Over here. Well, very, very early. It's like 9:30 a.m. now. But when I came on, I think it was like 8 a.m., I think. And why gold is most consistent? No, man, I don't think it was that consistent. That it has been that consistent lately, but like Asian is the best for gold, to be honest. Asian gives the nicest, cleanest moves, to be honest. But I'm usually not awake during Asian. But you know, that's why the overnight holds for this time. But didn't wake up at the right moment. But hey, look, now some volume is stepping in. Let's see. Hi, bro. Got my 50 bips going up. Yeah, bro. I think it is going up, man. It's like kind of, it needs to go up from here. It touched this 100 EMA 2 times now on the 1 minute. I know it's the 1 minute, but I really scalp on the 1 minute all the time on my personal account, and I know that 100 EMA is extremely reliable on the 1 minute. Look at that. You see, it's getting the push from there. you see it's getting the push from there. So you see, when gold is in an uptrend, I always scalp the 1 minute, and every time it retraces to the 100 EMA, and it gives this kind of a pattern, it's usually a buy. Nowadays, this market, who the flop knows, man? It could just give a huge candle and come all the way back down. But I've seen so many trades where you go into profit, but you do not break even. Why not? It's just like, I don't know, man. I'm trying to go for maybe too big of a profit in a market where it doesn't allow me to take that big of a profit. You know what I mean? So I'm looking at too big moves for a ranging market, and maybe that's the problem here. That it's best to maybe just scalp and take the profits. You're right. We could have been up a lot more if we did that, indeed. But if look, but that's the thing. Like when you have like bigger RR, you will take more losses. But if you do hit, if these two trades hit, guys, we will be up 6K, 6.7K. Okay, 6.7K, and our account will be, you know, up like 5% if both of these hit. But I'll probably take one of these a little bit earlier, and maybe we'll be up like 3%. But like, I'm just saying, if these trades hit, like, we'll be back way positive. We'll be back more positive than we were before, even with the stupid mistake that I made earlier, which was completely like not necessary. So let's see here. You see, still trying to accumulate for the next push towards the upside. Kind of in between all these EMAs, man. The 9, the 20, the 100, the 200. Between the short-term, long-term trend, and it looks like the sellers are gonna win. Let's see. Final confirmation. Still bouncing off the 100, but it doesn't look very good. That candle that just came in there, that was a strong one. Okay, very weird price action. Very strange. Yeah. That's weird. But yeah, the sellers are more aggressive right now than the buyers. Yeah, I'm literally gonna put the stop loss right there. So yeah, if it comes down there, I'm just out, man. We'll just take the L, man. Yep. it's still kind of holding, the 100 EMA. Can't believe that. But yeah, that move down was just, yeah. I think yeah, it's just holding on by a thread, guys. You know, it wouldn't surprise me if it suddenly picks up some volume and just completely pumps up. But like, yeah, there's kind of like the final place where it should give that push. Otherwise, it's gonna drop way lower, and we just don't have the capital right now to risk on that today because of that stupid mistake. But look at that, Maybe this could be the push. Let's see. Where I'm at, your drawdown will make me rich. What? Okay. So like the drawdown is a lot of money. You mean? Yeah, I guess. Oh, look at that, getting crushed, dude. Well, I know exactly what you mean. I too want to get into gold, but London session has just started and always seems to seek a little price or manipulate. Yeah. It's definitely like manipulating right now. That's for sure. Yeah, it could come all the way down here and still go up, kind of thing. You're right, man. Like, yeah, I guess we could risk like the 500, but and then move the stop loss to break even as soon as it like goes above here. We'll put the stop loss to break even. We'll maybe manage it like that, but like let's see. Right now it's staying still above the 100 EMA, so you know what, like let's just keep that original idea. Yeah, if it comes down lower, we could always enter from there later, maybe, you know. But not a lot of volume right now, man. Not a lot of volume for this London Open. Come on now. Yeah, so let's see. It's still silver is nice. It's actually staying above. Okay. We're getting some volume with gold. Hey, what's up, JSR? Yeah, if you just joined, man, like I made a little bit of a mistake, which caused us to lose 2% in like 5 minutes. I entered the wrong lot size into silver, and then I had to take a 2% loss because otherwise I would have been breaking a rule, which is like you can't risk more than 2% on a trade. So it is what it is. Still giving some wicks, man. Still not a strong move, but it's looking a little bit better right now, man. It's looking a little bit better. For a moment there, it looked like this huge red candle right here. I thought that was gonna be the push towards the downside. It still had it's still sort of held above the EMA. Very strange how it came down right like that and just slowly creeped up. Yeah, it's kind of still, it's kind of still very iffy, man. Still very iffy, bro. Like I've been saying, man, the buyers are just like very slowly buying, and then you could have like one minute candle, red candle that disqualifies all these little buying candles, man. Like that's the thing about this market right now. That's what I've noticed. Like these sellers are much more aggressive. They'll just like, you know, completely disqualify a buy. Yeah, look at that. Okay, guys, I'm gonna take a little break. Let's see if we get stopped out. It is what it is. You know, I'll be back like in about 5 minutes or so. If you guys don't mind, I just let like the music play. We'll see if these actually looks like it's gonna enter. Oof, look at that. Look at that. Like just what I was saying, it creeps up very, very, very slowly, and then boom, the sellers step in. Just like I was saying. Oof, look at that silver also. Yeah, we're probably gonna hit SL. Oh, yep, we just hit SL with silver. Let's just take it. You know, it is what it is. We're down 2.1% now, man. Some manipulation going on, probably. Oh man, look at that. Gold just wicked down to well, like, yeah, right now it looks like it's going down, to be honest. Looks like the sellers are stronger, man. We'll see, man. Yeah, maybe I'll just I'll wait for like 10 minutes, guys. I'll wait for like 10 minutes, and I'll probably come back and maybe, you know, see what the market is doing, and maybe enter one last trade, man. We need some more confirmation. So yeah, if you guys want to chill, like I'll be back in about, you know, 10 minutes or so. Then I'll be back. Okay, man, this is literally like, guys, this is literally like barcode price action. This is like, I don't know, man. We could try for like a re-entry here with silver. Just silver. That's the final trade, man. That's really the final trade, man. Yeah. Okay. 1 to 5 RR, guys. 1 to 5 RR. How did yesterday's trade go on gold, Adrian? Yeah, I mean, the gold trade actually, look, the gold trade, it actually went. You know what? Let's do the gold trade as well. The gold trade actually, it went into profit, and then you know what? Like we're just gonna go for it, guys. We're just gonna go for it, man. the gold trade, it actually went into profit, man. It went all the way up here. 1K in profit, came back down. Now I thought maybe it's gonna retrace. Bro, this price action, man. Hey, we're just going for it, man. We're gonna keep these trades going, man. If they don't go, it is fine, bro. There's a lot of wicks and ups and downs, but like I think the direction is good. So hey, if it doesn't go, it doesn't go, man. But you know, if it does go, it is what it is, man. Staring at the charts too long is not gonna be good for keeping these trades going. So like, you know what I mean? Hey, as long as silver hits back to that previous high, we're already positive, man. We're back 1K. So like, that's all we need, basically. That's all we need. But like, yeah, right now, man. It's looking a little shiny. But look, I don't know. We're just gonna keep these trades going, guys. We're just gonna keep these trades going. So yeah, I'm not gonna watch. I'm probably gonna keep the stream open. Hey, if these don't hit, it is what it is, man. You know, it is what it is, bro. Got a little bit of a better entry on silver at least. So yeah, we'll see. We'll see in a couple hours, guys. We'll see what happens. So yeah. So what's happening right now, guys, is I re-entered both silver at a little bit of a better price and a little bit higher lot size, and also gold. Right now, gold, uh, you know, giving a little bit of a bigger retracement. Let's see. This next hour candle for silver is very important as well. But look, if this next hour candle right there, that can close green, will be solid. But right now, they both look like they wanna drop. But hey, it's just accumulation right now, man. Like I said, the chances are much more higher that it's trying to at least go for those highs, man. And all we need is for silver to come back to these highs, and we'll already make 3,000. If it comes here, then we'll make 5K. We'll make 5.5K if it comes here, man. So it's not even that huge of a move, man. We just need but it could also just right now it's not looking very good, man. Yeah, it's totally getting crushed. But yeah, that's what's going on, man. It's probably one of those days that probably should have been skipped. Yeah, looking very sketchy right now. But hey, I'm not gonna exit, re-enter again. All that stuff. Like we're just gonna hold. Now we're just gonna hold till either TP or SL head gets hit. That's pretty much what's going on. And I'm not gonna be here to stare at this for all those hours that it's moving up and down. Yeah, I'm probably gonna hit the gym in a little bit. Do all that stuff. So we'll see, man. We'll see. On the higher time frames, it still looks pretty good. On the higher time frames, it still looks pretty good. Ooh, gold dropping down quite a bit. But I still doubt that it will just, yeah, I mean, it could. Yeah, coming down pretty heavy right now, man. So is silver too, man. Shorts would have been a play, probably. Shorts are the play. Looks like it's coming down, man. Maybe the 100 EMA will still hold. We'll see. If not, hey, GG's, man. GG's. Yeah, sometimes the real move happens like 1.5 hours after the open. Before that, it's just kind of... You need to invest in a good footprint chart so you can see the money. Yeah, I've actually tried Bookmap. It just made things more complex, to be honest. Like, especially like right now with these markets. Also during like the New York Open. Yeah, of course I have a stop loss there, Clee. Of course I have a stop loss. Yeah. So like it actually makes things a little bit more complex because then you start to see like this thing called spoofing a lot, where they'll put like limit orders somewhere and then they'll take it off, and then the price will start to go there, but then they take it off and then they put it in another place. And there's a lot of manipulation also on the order flow side, where it will kind of just make you more confused because not Bookmap, all those colors are too much for me. Footprint, so you can only see the money. So I mean like cumulative delta. You mean like to see what the delta is doing and stuff. Like on a Sierra chart, for example. Yeah, I feel like that's a little bit lagging. Like if you see a red candle, obviously you know that delta is net negative. Like you know that from just looking at a candle that okay, yeah, now these candles are definitely there's more sellers right now in the market than buyers. That's 100% for sure. Yeah. Right now the delta is probably super negative. That's very true. But perhaps down here where I have this red line, that's perhaps right now where the sellers oh gosh, bro, where the buyers will step in. Let's see, that's the final, dude. If this gets crushed, it will be an absolutely terrible day. But this is like the final chance for it to hold on to the bullish bias. Let's see, man. We're going into a lot of drawdown. Gold's starting to reverse a little bit. So is silver. Let's see. We're 1 hour and 12 minutes into the session as well. So usually like within the 1.5 hours they'll make the decision. So in the next 15 minutes they're probably gonna decide if they're gonna, push it up or down. We'll see. We'll see in the next 15-minute candle. So your stop is at 5,007. Yeah, that's where I have my. Yeah, that's pretty much where I have my stop loss as well. We might have to increase it a little bit for silver because it does seem like it's pushing down a little bit more than gold, but it's also where the 100 EMA is. So if we get wicked out, we get wicked out. It's fine. Notice gold tends to range during London Open, not all the time, but it's been happening frequently. Yeah, it has. London hasn't been as good as it used to be for anything, man. For the DAX as well. DAX has just been ranging for every London session lately. It used to have like huge moves during the London session. But yeah, it's looking really weak right now, guys. We might get stopped out any second now. And that will put a massive dent on the accounts, dude. So let's see here. The 200 getting hit on gold pretty much. If it crushes through that, then that's that done, man. The bullish bias is completely gone. But that final little thing is right over here. It's kind of like if it crushes through that, then that's that for the bullish bias, man. Yeah, actually, no, it's very like there's also like New York session always has nice moves, but the London session, it's kind of hit and miss. Sometimes we get some really nice pushes during the London session. Yes, yesterday there was a nice push towards the upside. That's why I thought like maybe today they'll do the same, because Asian is bullish. London, the end of Asia kind of had a massive retracement. I thought, London will push it from that retracement towards the upside. But right now we'll see. That's the next 15 minutes right there. So in the next 15 minutes, we'll know for sure. In the next 15 minutes, we'll know for sure if it's gonna push up or down. Then we'll know for sure, man. But yeah, oh man, I've made a ton of mistakes today, man. Like ton. this week has been not good for this account. And by the way, yesterday on my other account, I was up 2.5k, and I closed at a loss, man. On my FTMO account, can you believe that, man? I was up 2.5k, bro, on a gold short, and then it went up, like, mad. So I don't know if, because what I usually do, guys, is I enter the trades, and then I look a little bit on my phone and stuff, like how they're doing and stuff, and then just casually look and like manage a little bit. But yeah, I don't know. I'm off. It could be, I don't know, multiple factors, but it's not the market's fault. It's definitely my own fault today for these losses. Yeah. Okay, so we'll see, man. This next 15 minutes. Let's see how it open on gold. Yeah, I don't know, man. Could be a little bit of a relief rally towards the upside, but I'm not expecting too much from this point. Or you're going to blow your account. I told you yesterday, market good, gold is ranging, other pairs up and down, take a break, man. Yeah, well, yeah, the market is it is what it is, man. We're probably, it's not looking good, man, this trade. But you know, I wanted to do these live streams every day, so you know, it's not about, yeah, if this fails, man, it's not a big deal, man. $250. We tried. If it was a funded account, yeah, then I would not, then yeah, I would probably not even risk that much. But like, you know what I mean? It's a challenge. I made a mistake. Now I'm just like, man, we gotta get that thing going, man. It's also just for entertainment, guys. Like, you know what I mean? If I would just come on here like once a week, do some trades, it's not as fun, man. You know, the smart thing is to stay patient and wait for, you know, a really good A plus setup. But then, you know, we might be waiting for like 3 weeks till I do one live stream, and then we'll do another one like another month later. Like, nah, that's not fun, man. There's good moves in every market. So it's okay. So bro, please look at the daily. It hit gap, so days possibly it might go down more. Yeah, no, it's 100% possible that it's gonna go down. It's not looking good at all right now for the bullish bias. Silver's gonna hit the 100 right now. The 100 moving average, but it does seem to wick lower each time as well. So it might wick us out and then continue towards the upside, which would suck. But I'm definitely not gonna increase the risk on this trade, so we're gonna keep the risk, man. If we get wicked out, we get wicked out. But yeah, this next 15-minute candle. Don't forget you're trading while chatting and reading the comments live. Yeah, exactly. This is why I just couldn't do this on a funded account, guys. I couldn't do a live stream on a funded account. It's like, it's difficult to, yeah, it's kind of difficult to chat, like, dude, I don't know. It kind of like puts me off my game a little bit, you know. But, hey, I wouldn't be saying that if I was winning, right? So like, it's also, I can use it as an excuse, which I don't want to do. This was my mistake, and if it doesn't go my way, then it doesn't go my way, man. Right now, it's holding still. It's not completely over yet, but it's not looking very good. So this next 30-minute candle is coming in as well in 9 minutes. That will kind of show us, because, okay, let's see. So right now, what has it done? It didn't break the trend on both. Yeah, this looks like absolutely terrible on the 30-minute time frame. It just looks like it's just wanting to move towards the downside on silver. Same with gold. You know, it engulfed these candles, tried to push up, it engulfed it. So I'm seeing definitely the bearish side of the market right now. But yeah, on the other hand, it could also push up from here. Gold does look a little bit better than silver right now, but yeah, we're also we don't have a lot of room for this trade, so it could wick us out for sure. So we're gonna see, man. This could have all been manipulation, and they will decide the next, like they will decide the real move perhaps in about 7 minutes. Bro, W or L, but you are transparent in your, yeah. Yeah, thanks, man. Yeah, I guess like the thing is, people actually enjoyed me take the L's more than the wins. So that's kind of maybe the good part of taking these L's live, is people actually support the L's much more than the wins, because I guess it's relatable, right? So hey, even if we lose it, man, you can't win a challenge every week, because every week is not ideal for passing a pro firm challenge. And also, if you make a mistake like I did earlier, taking a 2% loss for just entering the wrong lot size, I mean that's something. Yeah, that's just bad risk management. And yeah, I just believe, I mean, for a while it was looking good right here. When it was accumulating here, when it was moving towards the upside there, it was really looking good. But the fact that it just completely disqualified that move. And yeah, on the 30-minute as well, man. I think silver might want to drop quite a bit lower even, but it's still holding on. It's still holding on. You know, it's not quite. Wow, it's actually made an equal low again. Look at that red line. It's hit it like 3 times now. And we got 5 more minutes for the next 30-minute candle. Hey man, is live trading a regular thing on this channel? Salute. If so, yeah. It's we've been doing it I plan on doing it every day. Maybe not London and New York every day, but definitely New York. I plan on doing it every single day. We did a little bit less last week, so we did 3 days because I was being a little bit more selective. But now I just plan on doing it every day. And win or loss, you know, we just go live. We just go live. And just try to win the market every day. So, hey, what's up, David Johnson? So you're new to the channel, or you just watch like the other content, not trading related content? Okay, so hey, look, there's some buyers stepping in right now, and we're approaching that 1 hour 30 minutes mark for the. This was actually like one of my old strategies was um, waiting for like 1 hour to 1 hour 30 minutes after the London Open to open a trade with the DAX to see what the DAX decides to do for the day. So this is kind of the moment where the market will make the decision usually and pick the side. Before that, it can be the manipulation. So we'll see. And I don't actually believe in the word manipulation. Like in the market, it's just like sort of the buyers and sellers were fighting a lot before now, and maybe now they'll make a clear decision, or not a clear decision. No, one of them will be the stronger one, and we'll see which one that is. But this could also just be a little bit of a relief rally, and then it moves towards the downside. So we'll see how this 30-minute candle opens in about a little bit less than 3 minutes. Now, I watched some of your exposing furus. By the way, I shorted gold and I got a winner. Nice, man. Yeah, shorts were definitely the move before. We'll see, man. We'll see. Maybe the shorts are even a better move later if it does break this range that it's in and actually really push towards the downside, completely disqualify this move. But if we look at like the 1 hour on gold, it's still slowly like creeping up. But this hour candle, it's not good, man. It's engulfing this candle. Ideally, like I said, I would have liked it to break above this red line over here. That would have been a very clear confirmation that we're moving towards the upside on the 1 hour on gold. But like this move right here, yeah, it's bouncing off the EMAs though. Like it's still a wick would be nice actually on that close. 30-minute candle, like it's also not looking good, man. But if it closes on a wick like this, maybe equal to this candle, hey, it's still sort of decent. It's not the worst case scenario. We're still in these trades. It's not the worst case scenario, but like, yeah, it's not ideal. But yeah, funny enough, support and resistance would have worked today. Look at that, like it touched it like many times on silver, like exactly that red line got hit multiple times today. So support and resistance works today, guys. So 1 hour OB rejection, that was my bias. Yeah. Look, we could have also caught it, I believe on the, yeah, look at that. So still on gold because it's in a downtrend. It touched it over here, got rejected on the 30-minute time frame. The 100 EMA is still holding the price down. So if it can't break this, that's why I have the red line over there. If it can't break this red line, we're not moving towards the upside. But if it's confirmed that it breaks this trend towards the upside, no weird wicks and stuff like that off the top, it's confirmed bullish. But let's see here where we're getting the 30-minute candle right now. Let's see that. Let's see how this opens. Right now we need this 30-minute candle to completely come up all the way up here and close above here for it to be confirmed bullish. If this next 30-minute candle just opens red, closes below this red, we're probably out, because then they just want to continue it towards the downside. But yeah, right now also on silver, it's hitting the short-term trend, so it needs to break above these. If it comes down now, it's probably going to continue towards the downside as well. Let's see. Right now it's opening pretty good so far. Let's see. Okay, some volume stepping in. perhaps. Okay, nice, nice. I think it's trying to break above these EMAs, which is good. If we get a nice strong candle above them, nice solid candle, then that definitely gives us a little bit more confidence in holding these trades. Yeah, so there's some stuff on Tory trades that I've seen. Basically, like that the P&Ls that she's showing are basically from her uncle's account or something. Yeah, it's I've seen it on X, so I don't know if these are confirmed, but she may be like flexing her uncle's P&Ls and stuff. But hey, if they use the same strategy, is that really that bad? I don't know. But yeah, apparently her uncle also like taught her how to trade, but it's trend lines, so I don't know, man. Trend lines. Okay, it's not even the worst 30-minute close on silver actually. Look at that doji, right? And then if this 30-minute actually, could come up here, it's actually very, very nice on silver. Not bad at all. But I don't know if it has if the buyers have the power to push it all the way up, or if it's just gonna keep ranging and slowly creeping towards the downside. What's gold doing? Yeah, gold. Yeah, nope. This is looking like a rejection now. Didn't pass those short-term EMAs. Oh, you're still holding the shorts? 5,500 is your last TP? Yeah, man, it definitely can go there, man. I can definitely see that happening. Yeah, looks like it was maybe a little bit of a relief rally before it shoots down. Yeah, nah, it's dropping down, man. Yeah, I mean, there's a pretty high likelihood that your TP will get hit, actually. I have a ton of experience. I've been looking at gold for about 6 years. I think I've been looking at gold for 3 years, man. I first did crypto, then I did forex, and then I stepped into gold and indices. So you have some more experience on gold than me, man. Yeah. Yep, it's coming down, man. I can definitely see it like hitting your TP, bro. There's the 100 EMA here though. Is that, that's still holding strong, also holding strong for silver. Uh, so that 100 EMA is like, if that gets like broken, then yeah, it could drop way, 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 way lower, man. Yeah, but you have made more money than me because my psychology is all over the place. Yeah, bro. Like that is it, man. Like you could be like really good with analysis, but like if your psychology is completely effed up, then you won't make any money, man. I can relate. Yeah, bro. Like I'm also like I was a massive risk taker as well. So, and I used to spread my trades up. So let's say, and it's not allowed anymore, which really really sucks. But yeah, what I still do on my personal is I enter like a little bit here, a little bit here, a little bit more here, but that's seen as gambling now. But like a lot of hedge funds do that. They spread the risk by doing splitting up the trades, and with that, like I'm much better of a trader. And with Top Step or other futures prop firms, you're allowed to do that. You're allowed to put like one micro here, then two here, then it kind of spreads your entry into a better entry. So I don't like put all my I don't put like my full risk on the first entry. I kind of spread it out. So that's how I have my most success, because I don't always predict the entry the best, but I do predict the overall move like pretty well, and that just gives me like a little bit of margin for error, because as you can see, like these entries are not optimal, especially on gold, man. That's like a really crappy entry, but like yeah. So yeah, I found like, I think the most successful I've been is with Top Step, man. Like, it's easy to pass. I pass those like all the time, and because I can pass it very easy, I also can like risk a little bit more on some accounts. Take them a little bit further than But with CFDs, you can definitely keep the accounts for a longer time, and they're more valuable at the end of it. Because if you risk like 0.25%, you can keep these accounts for a longer time. But like what I usually do on the challenge, guys, is I risk like 2% a day a trade, and I'm talking about like, and with a 1 to 2, you just need like 4 trades to pass. So I pass them pretty quickly, at least on the first phase, and then maybe second phase I do like 1% risk for that 5% gain. But that's how I do it, man. And I used to, guys, when this was allowed, I used to risk the whole 5% of the daily drawdown on one day, and I'll just try to pass it in one day. But it's not allowed anymore. But yeah, I used to do that like all the time. So I would pass. I would like fail a lot, but I would pass also. And when I have the funded account, I obviously go slower. But then you get the profits from the payouts to buy a lot of challenges, and you try to pass them quickly, so you can get more funded accounts. And that's how I scaled up like the quickest. That's how I scaled up these funded accounts the quickest. But you have to have that initial capital to be able to invest into all these challenges, because otherwise. So yeah, you can see like I'm not very protective with this account, which may seem like maybe weird for some people, but like it's $250, right, for this 100K account. If I fail, it's cool, man. Like we'll get another one, because one payout will pay for like probably like 10 accounts, right? If we get like a 2K payout, we have 2.5k payout, then we have paid for 10 of these accounts. So like no worries if 1 week a couple if one time we lose a couple challenges, that's not a big deal. But obviously doing it, I don't want to set a bad example. That's a bad example that you're being a little bit more careless and stuff. But yeah, I'm just telling you guys how I view how to do these prop firm things, right? Because like let's say with Top Step you buy like for $100 you can get like a 50k account. You could buy 10 accounts and get a 1k payout and you're already at break even. So you can fail 10 accounts but like get like 1k payout and you're already break even with all the challenges that you bought. Now if you're gonna fail 10 challenges, then you're a bad trader. But if you fail, let's say half of them, pass half of them, oh bro, you're gonna be way profitable. Even if you get like one payout of 2k, you're still 1k in profit. So that's how I see these accounts, man. That's why like futures is kind of nice for the quickness of it, because you only have one profit target, but it is trailing drawdown, not as optimal. But you can pass them very quickly, man, in 2 days, some of them 3 days, but like you can pass them very, very quickly. Makes sense. It is so simple what you're saying, and have known all this for years, but it took so long for me to accept the facts about risk management. Oh man, no, trust me, bro. Like it took me a long time too, man. Like that's why I was failing for the first 3 years, man. Like I've only been I only realized that in 2023, man. Yeah, 2023 I only realized it kind of like made sense to me finally. But yeah, before that I was kind of like like I was doing like 100x leverage on crypto in the beginning and stuff. So it got me hooked on that adrenaline, man. Like that, like risking doubling the account quickly and like all this crap, right? Which is, you know, what you see online as well, right? With these flippers and stuff, that's completely the wrong mindset. You see all these like big wins online and you think like, oh, I need to do that as well, but that's the wrong mindset for sure. So it takes a while. And look, today, man, I'm probably over risking too, man, to be honest. But it's the challenge phase. And it could set us back into being in profit. So I'm willing to take the risk. If it was like a real 100k account, guys, I would not be risking. I would not be even trading today, probably, because the price action isn't optimal. Yeah, I'm not taking any trades on the funded account, so you know, this is purely because when I woke up I was thinking like, you know, we had put that gold trade in. I should keep you guys updated on the gold. Then I thought like, okay, let's also enter a silver trade. Messed up on the entry with a way too big of a lot size, and now I'm like kind of thinking like, okay, well, I still want to take the trade, but now we're already in over risk territory. So, you know, it has landed us in this situation, which maybe it will work out. Let's see. Look, now on silver is actually looking pretty decent. If it closes like this, it's actually looking pretty decent. If that 30-minute candle closes like this, I think we just got a 15-minute candle. Gold not doing much, kind of bouncing off the 200 on the 5-minute. A lot of wicks here. But silver giving a nice push right now. Ooh, just when I said it, it wicks down. So hey, yeah. Oof, okay. It's an up and down day. It's an up and down day. But but yeah, I think look, at some point you're gonna have to take this seriously, and at some point you're gonna be like, okay, if you only have money for one account, and that's it, you can't buy another one next month. You just have money for one account. Risk 0.25%. Risk like a very small amount. It might take you 1 or 2 months to pass it, or like maybe even longer, but you will eventually pass it. And once you have that funded account, extremely small risk on that. If you only have like one challenge that you can buy, I thankfully have the ability to buy, you know, one of these 100Ks at least like every month, right? We could do one of these every month. So I don't mind if I pass or fail. Let's see. But I don't mind trying it again and again and again. But if you only have that one opportunity, don't risk as much as I'm doing, because it's definitely a little bit over risking, especially today. So yeah, don't take me as the example for this. But yeah. So like again, what I usually do: 2% on the 2% risk on the first phase, 1% risk on the second phase, and then on the funded account 0.25% or 0.5%. That's my system basically. And since I have a pretty high win rate. What's my Discord about? Well, we haven't been active on there too much. I was planning to like just give signals for free and stuff, but like well, since I'm doing the lives, you guys can see the trades anyway. But like yeah, it's just a community, man. We're just chatting on there. I thought about putting some education maybe on there, or some good info. Like, we need maybe some more admins. We need some more activity in there. So hey, I haven't really promoted the Discord either that much. We have about 500 members, but because I've been so inconsistent on there, we don't have that much activity going on. So I usually, yeah. Have you made more than you lost on challenges? Yeah, definitely, man, definitely. Yeah, 100%, man. I went very conservative in the beginning. I in the beginning, like when I first found out about prop firms, I didn't go for the 100K like straight off the bat. I went for like 10Ks, 5Ks, because it's getting some used to, right? It's getting some used to the 10% drawdown or 8% drawdown, or depends on the prop firm, right? And yeah, so I was like really practicing in the beginning, and I think I got lucky. In the third try, I think I passed a 10K account. I didn't get a payout then. I failed a couple of times, but yeah, I definitely like had some early success with prop firms. The rules were much chiller back then too. I think yeah, there was just not that many rules, considering like you could do martingale, you could split the trades. There was no gambling rules, nothing like that. You could just pass them in one day pretty much. So it was a lot more flexible than they are now. It's not that they're bad right now. It's just that there was also back then. Hey, you did have time limits, man. You had to pass them in like 30 days. Now it's like unlimited time. You got all the time to pass it. Back then they kind of forced you to even gamble because you had to pass it like in within 30 days. So like all these old pro firms, they used to have like time limits. They need to make the profit target within 30 days. So now you have all the ability to take as long as you want, risk as little as you want. You can practice patience and wait for the A+ setups and only take those. But yeah, you want to get there quick, right? That's the downfall, man. You want to get it done quickly, and yeah, that's the problem, man. Okay, so we're already like pretty much 2 hours into the London sesh, and we're still moving sideways on silver. Gold dropped down a little bit, but still I can see the bullish bias for gold as well. We're down 2% on the account, but hey, if these trades hit, we'll be up 6k, so 4k will be up on the account. Not too bad, man. Kind of moving slowly, but it's also like it's literally 50-50 right now, man. It could go either way, really. So is it the ideal? Well, not 50-50, man, because we're still, if you look at the higher time frame on gold as well, it's kind of 50-50, because we're moving up, we're making higher lows, but it's also we're making a lower high, so it's really 50-50, man. And I don't even know what silver's doing. Silver's doing some BS right now, man. Yeah, the real Misha, once again, what is this? Stop loss, I guess? 5,007. I don't know what you mean by that. I'm short on the weekly bias for gold. I think it will dump. Yeah. Now I could see I was bearish yesterday as well. It's definitely bearish, yeah. In the, on the weekly, on the daily. So yeah. I would say that my strategy is trend trading. So I trade the trend, but right now there is no trend. It's sideways. So I'm just trying to see where the market is trying to go, right? But like, but it's a little difficult right now, man. We don't get we haven't gotten confirmation where it wants to go, kind of. I'm just anticipating for the next I'm just anticipating that it will make one push to the upside, but yeah, it's not that clear right now. 48.42. Yeah, man. I agree. Man. Gold is looking bearish as flop, but yesterday it did make a move to the upside. So That's kind of what I've played. And yesterday, and it was bullish during the Asian, and yesterday it was bullish during the London too. So um, the bulls are stepping in a little bit, but they're not that aggressive as you guys can see. It's okay. Now, actually, this push towards the downside with gold was a good thing. Now it's hitting the 100. It's hitting the 100 EMA right now. Also hitting these lows right now. So this is where it needs to push up. Now gold really needs to push up for our bias to play out. But that little wick down was good. We needed that wick, because now maybe volume will come in. Now maybe that was a good price to buy for the buyers. But we're entering, yeah. It's still weird. London hasn't really had that much, not as much volume as yesterday. Trading is so much fun, man. Even after years of losing, I never gave up, and now I eat for life. Such a great feeling to wake up excited every day. Yeah, man. It is. It's the most fun job. It's also like a very painful job. I can see what you mean. Yeah, after years of losing, it feels even better to make it. That's 100%. When it's like earned like that, then it feels so much better when you make it. And I think it's like designed that way because whatever, it's like a universal thing. Like if it would be easy, everybody would have a six-pack, right? If it would be easy, everybody would be a millionaire trader. It's not easy. So once you do make it, like it is like everybody thinks that it's easy. Everybody thinks that it's easy when they see you winning, right? They'll be like, I can do that. Like, that seems easy. But nah, man, there's a lot of stuff that goes into it that's not even explainable. Like in a quick sentence, or yeah, you really need to go through it to learn it. But yeah, today, look, if you're gonna watch this back, man, I haven't been the best example. I'm not happy with my performance today. And it's not because of the market. It's just my decisions today were not optimal, for sure. Trading is simple, but people are difficult. Yeah, true. No, yeah, it's a lot of things that we gotta fix about ourselves through trading, which is another really good thing about trading is it will show you it will show you so much about yourself, man. You will learn so much about yourself, how you react to situations, what kind of negative beliefs you have, what kind of yeah, you really need to like analyze yourself every single day. And that's the thing with this live streaming, man. It's like it opens up even more things about myself, man. You know, am I looking for like people's approval? Am I like you know, trying to trade just because I want to, you know, make it entertaining, or like, I don't know, like it opens up a lot more things to work on for me. But it's like another challenge for me. Like it's like this, if I master this, then it's like another thing that I can do, man. I can do this. Like if I can do this live win, that's like next goal for me, man. Because it's different doing it like all by yourself. No, like nobody's watching. You're just in your head. But to talk through it, it also like, because I can't even explain everything, so it's also a good opportunity for me to yeah, to kind of explain my strategy better over time. because I'm terrible with that. Um, but hey, look, now gold needed that little push down so it could it could get that little bit of volume going. But every time it gets that volume going, it doesn't really seem to follow through. So let's not get too excited. But let's not get too excited. Silver getting rejected again. Oh, the 30 minutes. Oh, 1 hour candle came in. Oh, I see. Okay, the 1 hour candle just opened pretty bullish, man. Oof. Now, okay. Volume came in. Volume came in a little bit now with this 1 hour candle. Volume did come in a little bit. But let's see if it actually follows through, or if it's just like another one of these where it kind of, we think that the buyers are finally becoming aggressive and pushing it up, but then it just comes back down. Yeah, that's what's been happening all the time. So again, can't get too excited, man. Yeah, look at that. Just wait. Yeah, what the helly, bro? Oh gosh, dude. Oh. That was a little fakery, man. Little fakery happening there. Yep. That was some fakery, man. I thought that 1 hour was gonna open like really bullish. Buyers are gonna finally step in, become aggressive, but no, boom. Yeah, we got crushed, bro. Yeah, man. But it's wicking on both sides, man. Now it's wicking towards the upside again. I don't know, man. This market is just being funny, dude. Okay, gold definitely gonna probably hit our SL right about now. Right about now. If that, yeah. Yeah, it's very close to our SL right now. But let's see. 49.66. Yeah, it could, man. Like it could, but like as you can see, it's wicking, man. Silver dropping too. Yeah, the volume really came in, man, but like on the wrong side for me. Wrong side for me, man. I can't have two small stops on gold. It's moody. Yeah, that's right, David. It is a little bit moody, but we can't. We can't really risk more. It's already at. I'm not gonna risk more. It is what it is, man. If it hits that stop, it's probably. It's wicking again, man. Like it could just jump all the way back up from here, but it's also like a lower high. this 1 hour candle right here, that 1 hour candle was very bearish, but it's now like at equal lows. There is a possibility it will come all the way back up, but like it's more likely to drop down now from here. I totally agree with you guys. But hey, we'll see what happens. Oh, yep, we got stopped out. We got stopped out. Silver also looks like it's gonna drop. It's about to drop. Oof, yep. Yeah, looks like now, guys, it's definitely gonna. Oh no, I did close the gold trade. Now the gold trade is closed. This is silver that we still got open, but we're gonna close that too, because oh yeah, we're gonna get stopped out. Yeah, we're gonna have to take the L on this. I don't know. Still holding on by a thread, but like, we'll see, man. It's so wicky, man. I'm gonna hold on for it just a tiny bit longer. It's bouncing off the 100 EMA now, but yeah, it definitely looks like it's confirmed bearish now. Let's just make silver big. Let's see here. Yeah, no, it's pretty much confirmed. Still interesting though, it hasn't really pushed. Okay, there we go. It's gonna hit our SL. But I'm just gonna wait for that SL to be hit. Whatever. Hey, nice, bro. You got the TP. That's awesome, man. That is awesome, bro. You got the TP. Yeah, 5004 was your TP, right? 5004. Yeah. Nice trade, bro. Nice trade. I don't know what the heck I'm doing, but we're gonna hit this off. Yeah, this bullish move was absorption. Yeah. Look at that. Okay, that's me done for the day, man. Oh my goodness, we got a long way to come back now from this. But yeah, that bullish move was absorption. It's probably gonna come all the way down here, man. It's probably gonna come all the way down there, bro. Now, yeah, that's the next target, guys, for silver and for gold as well, man. It's gonna come all the way down, man. All the way down, dude. You trade early today? Yeah, man. You know, we tried to go for it, but it's clearly not giving. You know, silver especially, man. I thought, this high coming back down, I thought maybe it would be a continuation towards the upside. So here, but no, it looks like it's gonna It's gonna dump ski all the way down. Yeah, it was manipulation for sure. When are you starting OnlyFans? Never, bro. I guess I should, bro, with these kinds of trading results. Yeah, it's been a like I think it's been like 3 hour stream or something. Let me see here, 3 hours and 26 minutes, but I haven't been on stream all the time. You know, we might do another account because I do feel like trading later as well during New York. But we might do, um, yeah, we might do some futures instead. We'll do some futures during the New York session. Yeah, yeah, it was a yesterday's stream was long too. Okay, bro. Hey, Derek Lee. Good night, man. We'll see you during NY. Yep. Cool, bro. I'll see you guys then. You know, it is what it is, man. We'll make it. It's gonna be more difficult now, but you know, we'll make it back. We'll make it back. It's all good, man. Put a small lot on gold sell right now. Yeah, I don't know. We can't risk that much. You're right, man. Maybe we should. Maybe we should. You're right. But it would have to be like 0 point. No, matter of fact, I can't risk anymore today. I really can't. No, I really can't. I really can't. We gotta continue tomorrow with this one because I made the mistake earlier to. Anyway, you'll see it in the beginning of the stream when you watch this back. Anyways, I'll see you guys later during New York session. So in a couple hours, we'll be back live and we'll destroy the markets with some future.